Welcome. Today we're going to be reviewing the 27-inch UltraGear 27, whatever that said. Yeah, that's be the title of the video. This is the stand. Yeah. Stand, take that to the side, and then you go to the back. Hold on a minute. Here's the actual stand. Very sturdy, made out of stainless steel. So, yeah, nice and sturdy. Here's its certificates of being not very efficient. HDMI cable, right there. Ultra high speed. Yeah, HDMI 2.1 is on this monitor. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. Here's a display port. Oh no, sorry, USB cable. That's for updating the actual firmware of it. I think this is the display port. Yeah, display port cable. One display port, two HDMIs on this. There's your power brick. The size of that friggin' thing. Bruh. Eon. Yeah. Remote. Power cable. Yes. All your documents and stuff that, yeah. Here is thing. It goes onto the thing like that. Screws on. There you go. It around. Once you get it on, you're going to want to get it onto the back of the monitor, which you just click in, like so. Click in. Here, click. Boom. On the monitor now. Boom. What is that? This is it on the desk. I've obviously put in the cables in that I need. Does look good. It is a very thin bezel, so yeah, it's good. This is it on Fortnite. Don't know why out of any games, first game was this on this, but yeah, really smooth, really nice on the eyes. Yeah, such a smooth monitor, man. I'll tell my verdict at the end, but yeah, this is Phasmophobia. I was just trying to see how deep the blacks were. Really nice, deep. Contrast is beautiful. Colours, yeah. What up? That's about 2 minutes. So, the pros and cons of the actual monitor. Obviously, the pros, amazing colour on the panel, because obviously OLED. It's WOLED, WH-OLED, white OLED. Not too bright, easy on the eyes. It can get bright, but yeah, when you're configuring it, you can have it quite low and it's nice. Very easy on the eyes. I've been playing for about 6 hours straight now and I'm fine. I did have a QD OLED monitor that I was going to review before this. And yeah, QD OLED, it's not good on the eyes at all. So yeah, comfortable obviously for long use. Cons, the only con I could have think of was no built-in speakers. For the price point, you'd expect it, but I mean, I guess they were going for like, yeah, everything in the panel. Yeah, but anyway, my verdict is, it is a fantastic OLED monitor with obviously gorgeous colours and really good eye comfort. Yeah, you can play this for hours, it's fine, it's so good. And like I said, it's nearly perfect except for the missing speakers, which they may have added. They may add one day, maybe. I don't know. I don't think they really need it, to be honest. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this sort of review / unboxing / setup. I don't know what you're going to call this, but yeah, hope you've enjoyed. And yeah, peace out. Subscribe for more.